Well, howdy there pluckers, Ivor Soulfingers again with you. Thanks indeed for joining me for another guitar lesson. This one is a lesson on a song called Makes Me Happy by a gentleman called Drake Bell. Standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the same key as Drake Bell performs the song in. So with this song I'm going to break it down into sections. I'll do a quick section on the intro and verse, a second bit on the chorus, and then I'm going to do a last bit on the actual bridge section, which is towards the end of the song. Okay, my singing throughout this is purely for reference only. Okay, so I'm going to start off by doing a brief intro and the first verse. All the verses are played exactly the same way. Okay, so different words obviously. So here we go. Here comes the intro and a verse. Okay. Hello, let's go, everybody must know, clubs in heart like a bomb is blowing a song inside I'm singing, sunshine that you're bringing now and it makes me happy. Listen to the radio, get off into the second verse exactly the same. Okay, so let's break this down for you. The introduction is basically this, the whole hook song of this song is this C to F chord progression with some hammerings, okay, and some what have you. So I'm playing a C chord, but I have a pinky on the 3rd fret of the top E string, okay. Second chord is an F, again with the pinky on the 3rd fret of the top E string. That stays there throughout the whole first verse, okay, and all the other verses. Okay, so the strumming is like a, so it's like a, right. So what I'm doing there is a up, down, down, okay. Then we change to the F shape, okay, and this is where the tricky bit comes in. You've got to lift up that second finger on and off, so it's, okay, got that? I'll slow that down for you. The whole song revolves around that, really. Okay, that's all the way through the verse. Okay, so, or verses. Okay, so we'll just go through that. The introduction, you play about 4 of those. Okay, so it's, well, hello, let's go, everybody must know, let's leave the bomb is blowing my, and then you go into, when you get to song, blowing my song, you stay on the F chord with the pinky on the 3rd string and just continue strumming on that chord. Okay, inside I'm singing, sunshine to bring in now, and then we go back to the C to F. It makes me happy. So let's just go through that verse slowly for you. I'll do 2 C to F's as an intro, okay, and then we'll go into the verse itself. Okay, so slowly. Well, hello, everybody must know, love's in heart like a bomb is blowing a song inside I'm singing, sunshine that you're bringing now and it makes me happy. Okay, I'll do it even slower if I can. So two lots of intro, then the verse. Okay, so I'm going to do 4, not 2. Hello, let's go, everybody must know, love's in heart like a bomb is blowing my inside, inside I'm singing, sunshine that you're bringing idea? So that's that fundamental C to F is paramount that you get that right, otherwise the song doesn't work at all. Okay. So that's it, that's the intro and the first two verses, and the third verse plays exactly the same. After the second verse you go into the chorus bit, You're Everything I Need, and that starts off with a D7th, You're Everything I Need, D7th, then you play the F with the little pinky on the third fret of the top E string again, handed from above, D7th, I can't get enough, back to the F with the little pinky, of your love, cause it, back to the C to F, makes me, with a little pinky on the third fret, okay, off the top E string, makes me happy. And then it goes off into the third verse, which is exactly the same as the other two verses to play, okay. So I'm going to go through the second verse now, and then I'll do the chorus for you all in one bit, slowly, okay. So here he goes. Listen to the radio, playing back in stereo, sounds like that favourite song, I'm humming along, my head is ringing, and I just can't stop singing now, cause it makes me happy. You're everything I need, handed from above, can't get enough of your love, cause it makes me happy. Got that? Got the idea? So let's do it again. Listen to the radio, playing back in stereo, sounds my favourite song, I'm humming along, my head is ringing, and I just can't stop singing now, cause it makes me happy. Everything I need, handed from above, I can't get enough of your love, cause it makes me happy. Okay, then it goes into the third verse, and then it goes back into another D7 to F bit, like a fantasy, like you never find, right in front of me, all the time, and it makes me happy. We go into the bridge section, okay, towards the end of the song. So you do, when you come out of that second chorus, like a fantasy, makes me happy, you do that 3 times, and on the 4th time you hit the C, and then you go, so hit the C with little pinky, okay, on the top E string there, and then you hit that 3rd on the 5th, 2nd on the 5th string, and then to an A minor, I want it, and then you go to a straightforward F, no pinkies involved, just a straightforward F, I want it all but not too, back to A minor, much, I want a F, feel the way you, D minor, touch me, I'm the kind of guy who's F, always there to come. Back to the C to F, mind you. Okay, got the idea? So let's just go through, I'll go through the third verse, and then the chorus on Like a Fantasy, and then the bridge section, okay? Right, so here we go. Live in the daydream, I'll show you what it would be, spending some time in the sun, I'm getting a run, it's just beginning. Stop singing now, cause it makes me happy. Like a fantasy that you never find right in front of me all the time, and it makes me happy. So I want it all, but not too much. Then it goes into another D7 to F bit. Saving rainy days for another time. I'm just here to say, read between the lines. I'm so glad you're mine. Because you make me happy. It's not all those, okay? So there you have it, okay? Those are all the bits you need to play that song. Hopefully it'll make some sense to you and you should be good to go. Bye for now.